Today, I'll show you how to compare assets by overlaying charts in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, the main tool for this is called compare or add symbol. TradingView says this lets you examine two or more symbols on one chart, which is useful for benchmarking one asset against another or spotting correlation. TradingView also notes that when you add a symbol this way, the vertical axis changes from price to percentage, so the comparison is easier to read. To get started, open your main chart in TradingView, then look at the top toolbar and click Compare or Add symbol. This opens the Compare tool. From there, type the name of the second asset you want to compare, then select it from the list. As soon as you add it, TradingView overlays that second asset on the same chart. This is useful in a lot of simple ways. You can compare one stock against another stock, one crypto coin against another, or an individual asset against an index or ETF. For example, you might compare Apple and Microsoft, or Bitcoin and Ethereum, to see which one has been performing better over the same period. TradingView says this is exactly what the compare tool is designed for. If you want to compare more than two assets, just repeat the same step again. Click Compare once more and add another symbol. TradingView says you can examine two or more symbols simultaneously, so you're not limited to just one overlay. Now here's something helpful to remember. Because TradingView switches the chart to percentage when you compare symbols, the chart is showing relative performance, not the raw dollar price of each asset. That's why one low-priced asset and one high-priced asset can still be compared clearly on the same chart. If the chart starts to feel crowded, you can manage the overlays from the chart legend. The added comparison symbols appear there like other series on the chart, so you can hide them, remove them, or keep only the ones you need. That makes it easier to clean up the chart if you've added too many. This follows TradingView's general supercharts and chart item behavior. So, in simple terms, open your chart, click Compare or Add symbol, search for the other asset, and add it. TradingView will overlay that asset on the same chart and switch the view to percentage so you can compare performance more easily. And that's how to compare assets by overlaying charts in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.